Hey guys, it's me, the cat, the rocket cat. You know, I'm here to do the thing. I want to go to space. That's my goal. I want to go to the moon. The moon's made of cheese, so I've heard. Mice live on they like cheese, so they live on the moon. Anyways, that's my motivation. I want to go to the moon so I can find the mice because I like eating mice. Okay, here we go. This way to the rocket shop. Okay, here I go. Oh wow, I'm at the rocket shop. Let's see here. Hey there. I want a rocket to the moon. Dunk. Wow. Okay, I guess I'll jump in. Bronk. Oh wow. I can't believe it. I'm finally here. My long dream of my life to finally go to the moon. This is amazing. A dream come true for me.